How do you want to make an impact? All over the world, Waterloo engineers and architects are innovating and collaborating to tackle society's toughest problems. From breaking open new frontiers in technology to founding Fortune 500 companies, we are an engine of innovation, transforming both lives and industry. Waterloo Engineering is a top 50 engineering school worldwide and a leader in education, research, and entrepreneurship. You can ideate, create, and collaborate as you discover your passions. You'll go beyond your high school math and physics and apply advanced knowledge to real-world problems. From artificial intelligence and robotics to mitigating natural disasters, treating disease, building smart cities, and developing alternative energy, you'll be working at the very edge of technological innovation and beyond. As Canada's largest engineering school, we have a dynamic network of faculty, staff, students, and alumni. You'll never tackle a problem alone. While our faculty may be large, your class will always be small. From your first day on campus, you'll be with a tight cohort of students, all in the same program. Whether you're working on a team design project in the Ideas Clinic, going out to an Engineering Student Society game night, or stopping by the coffee and donut shop between classes, the connections you make here will last a lifetime. No matter what type of engineer or architect you become, you'll graduate with the deep technical knowledge required to succeed, as well as the creativity, critical design thinking, and hands-on co-op experience to stand apart from the rest. Waterloo engineers and architects are everywhere making a difference. We innovate, create, and challenge the status quo. Are you ready to shape the future with us?